In this video, we go on a walking tour in Antigua, including historical ruins, meeting the vice mayor, a Jade museum, dinner, and a walk through the city. If you want to be motivated to travel, subscribe below.
Behind there you can see a volcano. My grandfather told me when you can see some part of the volcano is clouds, it's because at night it's cold. It's too cold.
It's gonna be cold. Oh,
yes.
Nice.
Of the second capital in 1541. And the other side you can see the fire volcano. Remember, this volcano was to make a big eruption the last year, and around it is Acatenango. And the rest you can see the rest of the city. Is 25 of July. Yeah? 25 de julio. And the other side is the San Mayor of the city. Is named Mr. Joseph Anthony Montufo. And the other side is... the last earthquake, but it's the restoration. Now we have many different shows.
And we are the house of Jade. Look at the rough stumps. This one is Jade. That one too, that is the lavender color. This is a very dark green color. Look at the samples of the colors. We say jade, we have in our mind a green color. But in Guatemala we have the energy of the jade and the center of the four cardinal directions represent the power, life, good luck, and eternal love. So jade was more important than gold. You remember the Egyptians represent the passport, the payment to the next life, with some coins of gold for the eyes. The Egyptians, but the Mayas, is a jade in the
What's your national flower?
Monja Blanca. This orchid is come from to the north of Guatemala. Look at this cathedral church. You can see the hill, and top there is to the pop elbow. And the first horizontal line is the four evangelists and the rest is of the apostles. And the small
So we just had dinner and it was good. I mean, I had shrimp, but it It was frozen, little frozen shrimp, but it was okay. How was yours? That's it, just good. So we will recommend it, this place by our guide. So thanks. But he ran out and grabbed us some bucks. We much appreciate that, Jose. Thank you so much. So we are coming back from dinner. We're walking back on one of these lonely streets. It is absolutely beautiful. Every restaurant we walk by is nice. And sometimes you can look right in someone's bedroom. I guess it's a hotel, but who leaves their window open so you can see right in? But it's really nice. And so we're like a block away from the house anyway. House? Hotel. Back at our hotel. This hotel is really nice. Really nice. Now, it would be nicer if that was hot, but it's not. Look at the tree. Beautiful. Yes, I have an idea. Let's go fly my drone. Okay, so we pack up the drone and we head over to the arch. I got the drone about 2 weeks ago, and ever since I got it, I've wanted to come back to Antigua to record this arch. But if you look over by that white car, you may see or may not be able to see, but there's a couple of people over there that brought their drone as well. And they wanted to fly it and record as well. So I don't know if the frequencies got caught up, but check out what happens next. Okay, we're walking in Guatemala. We're walking in Antigua Guatemala looking for an ATM. Cajero automática, pero everything seems to be closed on a Friday night. It's 11:30. They're out to get us. They make you wreck your drone.
That's close.
This place. This is not it.
No, this is the main hotel. What's that hotel? Hotel Casa.
Yeah.
Esperanza.
No. Figure it out. I'm here to help you figure it out.
I'm part of the Casa.
Encantado. Okay.
Okay.
Es lo mismo. Okay.
We just want to look.
¿Puedo ver? Okay.
Remember this? Somebody was.
Ah, muy bonita, mira. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh no.
This is amazing. Ooh, 175. Okay, it's still amazing, but I ain't got you. I ain't got it. I ain't got it. Ooh, 200. That is beautiful though. That's fuego. Yep. Fuego y Acetenango from next door. Oh my God. So this is the hotel that's attached, or I don't know, associated with where we're staying. It is just, it's beautiful. It's larger. Ours is beautiful, don't get me wrong. So we're back at our room, and we have to step across the stepping stones of death or drowning. Man, we better not drink too much. Lucky number 7. This is really nice. A little bubbling brook. Really nice out here. And this, by the way, is outside. Oh, and there's an upstairs terrace. We need to check that out.
We have a YouTube channel. Like it.
Please subscribe and kick the bell.